In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, and then paste it wherever you want to, because it won't disappear after an hour. You can either hold it and tap on pin icon, then unpin it the same way, or click on this pen at the top right corner, select your text and use pin icon here. To delete it, hold it and click on delete button, swipe it to the right, or use pen again. If you wish to disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!